What's good with y'all? So look, bro, we got a standard orange Nike box here, but what's in the box ain't really standard, bro. It ain't really standard, and a lot of people are sleeping on these because these actually sat on Nike sneakers, etc. for a very long time, and I actually think they might still be sitting to this day. And I saw them sit for a while, but my brother, he has a Nike discount, and we were waiting together for them to go on discount. They never did. They never hit that desktop. But I was able to find a website that they did go on discount for, and so I was able to pull the trigger, bro. So you guys are gonna see here just in a second. So a lot of people be calling these type of shoes like Y2K shoes, like the throwback vintage 2000 shoes, and that's exactly what it is, bro. So the name of these are the Nike Air Pegasus 2K5, aka 2005, bro. So like I said, bro, these were sitting on sneakers for a minute, bro, and they actually tried to make the original one. It was like black and purplish or black and red pair, very limited, and surround some fake hype by it, but they didn't sell out. I liked them and I thought they were limited, but I didn't like them that much to pull the trigger. I was just falling a little bit into the hype, and then I was like, I held off. So let's go into the sizing. I already told you guys the name. The colorway is Coconut Milk Bicoastal. So look, I just did an unboxing on the Kobe Girl Dads right here, and they also had Bicoastal. So I guess Bicoastal is the new green, bro. So if you ever hear that, that's the word of the day, Bicoastal, it means green, bro, because they had it on here, and these are definitely green, right? Now, they are the size 13, so if you guys are interested in these, I will be putting them on my feet so you can see how they look. You can see how the sizing is, because I generally don't know how these run. So whenever I don't know how to run, I usually just get a 13, and then worst case scenario, I take the insole out, right? Now, the color code is FZ2590-100. Now, me personally, I got them. I'm not even gonna gatekeep. I got them off of Sneakers and Stuff. And they were running a promotion code that you got 30% off, I think basically everything off the site. And these are one of the shoes on there. The code is swoosh 30, SWOOSH 30. Now I will say that the code doesn't work anymore. I don't know why I was getting confused on my words, but it doesn't work anymore. My brother tried yesterday because he saw them when I got them in hand. He waited too late. I told him when I bought them, he didn't buy them, and then now the code doesn't work on them. They work on the other shoes on the site. I don't know why they took these off, but like I said, they sleep. But you can get them for retail before this becomes a new trend, new model that gets hyped up later on. You can say you got them for retail instead of having to pay aftermarket. So without further ado, man, let's open up the shoe. Ooh, wee. I like these a lot, man. Look at that, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up. Oh, bro. These definitely give off, let me put that tissue back in. These definitely give off a very good vintage vibe. And the first thing that I took away from it, it gives me that what's that drink? Starry, the lime, yeah, lemon and lime vibe, bro. These are actually super tough, bro. And there's like small details that I think puts it even on the edge. Now, obviously, we're just gonna go over main things. So right here on the top, right here, we have this mesh material. So that already tells me, one, that it's gonna be fairly comfortable. My toes are gonna have some breathing room. I like that already. And it's also not that leather, so I don't have to worry about it being creased. So you can dress these up, you can dress these down. If you wanna go with a cozy, calm fit, you can do that. But I'm pretty sure there's numerous of ways that you can dress these up as well. But my first initial vibes is that this is gonna be on a cozy, calm day, probably with some sweats, maybe some flares or something like that. I think that's pretty dope, right? And then I like how they got the cage. I like how the cage is in this design and like speed arrow type of thing. I like that a lot. Then we got the dark green. It's like an emerald green almost, lined by the yellow embroidered swoosh. I think that's dope as well. And then on the laces, even surrounding the whole midsole of the shoe as well, you got this creamish off-white vibe going on. So I like that a lot. Then on the tongue, we got it spelled out, Air Pegasus 2K5, and maybe a little darker creamish, a darker off-white. I like that a lot. I really do. I think all the colors right now are blending. And then the third and final color is this brown right here. A subtle brown right here on both sides of the shoe and also on the front next to the toe box. I forgot, but next to the toe box. Now, then right here it says full length Nike Air, just showing you the type of technology that it's going to be using. And then right here on the midsole, you have this creamier, darker yellow right here, a little bit darker than what's on the swoosh, man. I love it, bro. Then also on the front right here, we have another Nike swoosh just for that added detail. Swooshes all around, coming on the back of the heel tab as well, and even on the toe box as well. Just trying to point out all the Nike swooshes. Man, these are dope, bro. I love them. I feel like I'm genuinely curious to put them on my feet, bro, because I want to know how comfortable they are, bro. Because if these are similar in comfort to Vomeros, hey, these might be top. Now, I don't see them getting, I don't know. I would want them if they're more comfortable than the Vomeros or in that same comfort style. I would love for these to be more popular than the Vomeros, because the Vomeros, they're popular, but they didn't get that wave, if that makes sense. They never really got that wave. Maybe because they came out at the same time as that New Balance wave, but you know, it is what it is. But man, these are dope. And like I said, these are widely available, and I think this is a shoe that a lot of people are going to be sleeping on. And I don't even think it's so much of sleeping on. I think it's just not a lot of people are aware of it, bro. These are definitely dope, bro. These are definitely dope. Just another thing, they don't come with any extra laces, so these cream ones are going to be the only ones. But I don't, you know, I wouldn't really change them out for anything. Maybe a darker green, but I think that would be too much green. Then next, for the insole, we have that dark green insole with another yellow Nike swoosh. So and they're pretty dope, bro. These are ooh-wee, bro. And also make sure to subscribe, comment, because I'm gonna be adding these to my sneaker haul. So what I've started to do is that I'm gonna do every 4 shoes, because I'm for the toe. Every 4 shoes, I'm gonna do a separate video from these, from the unboxing. It's gonna be a sneaker haul, just kind of showing you the progress on my sneaker collection and just kind of mindset that I had when buying these. And it's gonna be slightly different from the unboxing. So I want you guys to tap into that. So make sure you do that. And I think, let's go back on the sole right here. So it says Pegasus right here, and then in the, is this brown? No, I think it's just that clear black. You have it where it's saying the technology again, and then the ridges right here are in that yellow. Same thing right here. So and then it has www.nikerunning.com. I think that's the first that I've seen that on here. But again, it is an older shoe, so they probably with the older branding. So I think that's pretty dope. And then so it does have a lot of branding of the name. You see that right here on the tongue and on the heel tab as well. So everybody's gonna know what shoe it is when you're rocking these. Now, let's get into the, I'm not changing my fit. This is, you're gonna see it, I'm not matching already, but you guys are gonna see me in the next POV. And look, bro, if you watching my videos, you never match, bro. I always gotta wear my merch. And then honestly, it's like a Zoom meeting, bro. Whatever on top is the only thing that matters. And I'm just wearing, what am I wearing? Under Armour shorts, red Under Armour shorts. So if you like the merch, also again, like, comment, subscribe, but we're very, very, very close to unlocking that first step of monetization. I'm gonna be doing a lot of special things with the merch as well. We're gonna be giving them to the homeless. And when I go ahead and set up the shop on the website, for every shirt, for every jacket that you wear, and mind you, every shirt that I wear on my videos is what I created. So these are all my shirts, all my jackets. I'm gonna get some more in, I'm just waiting on that watch hours to go up, man. But every shirt that is bought through the site, I'm gonna go ahead and match it myself, and then we're gonna give it out to the homeless. I already made a video where we're gonna give out shoes to the homeless, so it only makes sense to add clothing as well. But that's enough said. Just make sure you guys support the kid, and I'm gonna see y'all in that next POV, so y'all can see how, well, all of us can see how they fit, how they feel, how they look. All right, so we got the shoes, extra POV. About to go ahead and try them on. Now I am finna just have them factory laced. So again, there'll be room for adjustment and things like that, because it is gonna be like, it's just either gonna be like a tight fit or a snug fit with just them factoring lacing, but I'll still be able to get a good feel for it. And again, I can always adjust it. So let's see, because usually that's how I rock it. Oh, hey, these are fire. Hey, nah, these are, oh my God. Hey, so that mesh material that I was talking about at the front of the toe box, bro, you can immediately feel that on your feet. The bottom, the cushioning on it is also good as well. These are comfortable. Honestly, I will say that they're on the same level as the Vomeros when it comes to comfort, bro. These are actually very comfortable. I think these are I think they give that very similar vibe to Vomeros when it comes to comfort, bro. My whole foot just feels comfort. And again, that's from all that mesh material. So all that mesh material that's on the toe box and even on the back inside right here. Bro, these feel amazing, bro. Oh my gosh. On some just calm vibes. Oh my God. Hey, yo. I was not expecting them to feel like this, bro. Bro, Look, and I also make a lot of videos where I be dogging Nike because they don't. Nike, right? Nike's like a girl. Majority of them either gonna get a 10 out of 10 looks, but no personality, bro. That's the same thing with Nike, bro. You either gonna get 10 out of 10 looks, or they not gonna be comfortable, bro. And it's really it's a gym. Even with the women, it's a gym to find them with both. So same thing with Nike, bro. It's a gym, bro. And I think that's one of the things, like back on the serious note, that they struggle with as of lately, bro. They haven't been able to find, or not find, but make a silhouette or a model that looks good, but it's also comfortable, right? All of their quote unquote comfortable shoes, bro, the sole is literally this big, bro, and it's just terrible. That's why why New Balance and Asics have been blowing them out of the water. But bro, the Vomeros, the Air Max DNs, now they're not the best looking, but I feel like they're a little bit upgraded from the Air Max 270s. But those are also very comfortable as well. But oh my god, Nike have a banger with these, bro. And like I said, they did try to create some type of false hype with the original version of these, the black and reddish, but not a lot of people, I guess, were hip to it. But if they ever get an influencer, or if TikTok ever gets a hold of these and they pop off, bro, oh my god, bro, these are amazing, bro. I think these could be a game changer for Nike, bro, if they got popular. So for sizing, true to size, I feel like this is a perfect fit in a 13. I get majority of all my shoes in a 13. There's certain shoes where I do go up. My Kobe's, my Yeezys, my Jordan 3s. Sometimes my 4s, I go up a full size. But these are perfect, bro. Oh my god, these feel very comfortable. Like, to the point where I just want to wear them right now, right? Now, again, I'm not matching, but I'm actually very willing to do a vid of where I like go to the thrift or something and try and pick an outfit to style these. I know a handful of people were asking about them when I was making some of my earlier videos when I did the Drake Noctis, and I don't think I did a video on those, but I did it with my Yeezy Pods. I feel like it didn't get really the attention that it wanted, and I'm not gonna just keep on buying stuff at the thrift, bro, because I'm not that big on clothing, especially when I'm trying to focus on building up my bigger brand. But that's also what I'm gonna start doing as well. So if you guys are interested, make sure you are comment subscribing, because I already gave shoes away to the homeless, and I plan on continuing to do that. I just need to have some time to do so. But what I wanted to do is, for example, this shirt and all the other shirts that I wear, all the jackets that I wear in my videos, these are all my brand. I make them. And what I want to start doing is that once I get monetized, so once I have enough watch hours, which I'm very close, I think I only need about 700 more. Thankfully, to you guys who are watching, and maybe the people that aren't subbed but came across this video, if you want to add on to that. But I've already reached that first milestone of the subscribers. I think you only need 500, and I'm at 600 plus right now. So obviously we're striving for 1,000 as well, but the watch hours is what's important, because now once I get that, I can put the shirts directly on the shop, and you guys don't have to go to my Instagram. You guys don't have to go to a website or things like that. You guys can buy it directly from here just after watching the video. And every shirt that is purchased, I'm going to go ahead and match it and give it away to the homeless for free, add on to the shoes. Since we're already giving away shoes, I think it's only right to do it for clothes. But with that, once that gets a roll on, I'll be able to make specific clothing or specific colorways in the clothing for the shoes, so we can get some better fits for the unboxing of the shoes, bro. Because I feel like I'm not doing these shoes justice, bro. Because oh my god, like they're literally that fire, bro. They honestly they feel so amazing. I genuinely was not expecting these to feel that much or feel this good, right? But that's it for the video, man. Like I said, if you want to go back and go to that beginning of the video where I put out the style code, you can go ahead and type that in. Again, these are pretty much widely available on a couple of sites at retail value, so you don't have to pay that aftermarket, and just show love. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Hey, bro, these are feeling good.